Speaking of the summer and sunshine, vitamin D, I think that is a really important one. A vitamin D deficiency, it can cause so many different issues in your body. And I'm curious if any one of the medications, whether it's the blood thinners, the statins, the metformins of the world, if any of those can also exacerbate any sort of vitamin D deficiency.
I think absorption, so anything that's messing with the gut can. I know because we live north of the Mason-Dixon line, everybody in our area is deficient anyways. So
Hmm.
we get it primarily from sunshine, and yet we tell ourselves like we put sunscreen on when we go out. So if you can get outside for 15 minutes, first thing in the morning without putting sunscreen on, you're going to get some vitamin D that way. Most people, so the optimal range, especially I want to say for female and bone health, is around 50 to 80. And I know a lot of times they'll say 30 is normal, but your need for it's higher.
Can it be absorbed efficiently alone? Or does it need something else to help it better absorb in your body? And what does that
So
mean?
K2 really does help absorb vitamin D. I do have patients though that just take vitamin D and they get good absorption. This is why it's important to draw the levels with whatever you're taking, because I've had people come in and have still the same low level but had been supplementing on something. So knowing what's right for you and what we can do. I prefer the K2. I prefer that if you're able to use the vitamin D with K2, just so you get absorption on less vitamin D.
And does it do anything with the MK7? I don't even know what that is. I was just my younger brother is really he's a great researcher and he told me he's like, "No, make sure you get the D3 K2 MK7." And I said, "What is MK7?" He said, "Just take it." My brother's not a doctor, but good researcher. I should check with my functional medicine practitioner on that, but if you have any insight, that would be interesting.
Yeah, the MK7 actually has to do with the K2 and basically making it more absorbable.